Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial of R programming language. So basically R is both environment and language. What does this environment means? So we are talking environment in the sense of that it is an integrated suite of software packages, okay, and data that basically enable the R language. R language allows you to perform a statistical analysis and data mining. We can use techniques such as in our probability distribution. We can use hypothesis testing. We can create linear models like linear regression, logistic regression, and we can also create non-linear models using R. Okay, R is very versatile and it covers like whole statistical techniques and algorithms when it comes to data mining as well as analysis. R allows you to create some complex graphs. These are some key points, right? Okay, so it can generate one dimensional graphs, or you can create more sophisticated plots using the R. So now let's talk about some of the characteristics of R. So characteristics of R, like we can talk like it is an expression language. R is an expression language. Okay, we can perform a spot analysis as well as we can write program. As we can write program. Okay, let's take an example. Okay, let's say like you have a data set of 25 numbers and you want to get some feel of a statistics around these 25 numbers, like you want to find out the average and the spread. Okay, this you need to. So right now from here you have two options. What you can do in two ways. What are those ways? You can take like one time fill. One time fill, it means suppose like take a data set. You have taken data set of 25 numbers, assign it to a vector and compute its mean and its a standard deviation. Okay, now it's come to the second. This is the first way. Second way, you want a approach that is repeatable approach, that things can be repeated. So what you will do in repeatable approach, you will create a function or you will create a program that can be written that takes a vector as input. As an input it takes a vector, and as an output it's give you the mean and the standard deviation. Okay, so these are the analysis of the R. R has like publicly available sets of real world of data. I will show you the real world of data. Okay, so before going, now let's see about its extensibility. What are its extensibility? Like R comes with base packages such as graphics, stats. Okay, when you will download and install the R on your computer, you will find that these packages come automatically installed and loaded. R can be extended by CRAN, like comprehensive R archive network. Packages such as like mass, lattice. Like when you download and set up R on your computer, these packages come installed, but they are not loaded. These are optional. You have to load. Some of the packages like ggplot2, ROCR, these are not installed. You have to install. Okay, so let's talk about some, like I talked about this about the your data sets, like real data sets which came. Let's see what I'm talking about that. See, when you go to your, this is your R Studio view section. In the view section you will see, when you will go to the view section, in the view section you will show packages. When you will click here, all the packages will be shown here. Okay, all the packages will be shown here, like a stats already come with this. Okay, and I talked something about, like here in this particular thing, like some of we can talk about the data sets. I talk about the data sets, which real world data sets came with this R when you will install. Let's see, when you go to this file section, say here. Okay, when you will click let's say, when you will click wait, yeah, when you will click R script, let's talk, let's see, you will type like here data, this is a function. When you will run, see, whole whole data will come here, this whole data will come here. A very famous data, let me show you here, that is iris data. Okay, so I want to load this data. How can I write? Just pass here in this, what we will write, we will write iris. Okay, and we will write print iris. Okay, when we select this all and run, see, whole data will be printed here. Okay, you can see whole, its sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width, all will be this setosa, flowers name setosa. Okay, when we talk about like more, see, versicolor, virginica, and these all are here, your species will get printed. Okay, so now let's talk about its some applications of R, where this R is used. R is extensively used in business, economics. When we talk about data analysis, clinical data analysis. When we talk about banking sector, these all things are extensively used. Okay, so now we will see next part of this R in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.